Hello everyone. Welcome to a new video where we'll show you a powerful tool to introduce Enaria to your friends on social media, family, and others. There's no other tool like this for presenting Enaria. On this page, you can learn about Enaria, this AI that connects to our own broker where you maintain complete control of your money. Besides the CEO's video presentation, you'll find below the 3 steps to get started with Enaria, steps 1, 2, and 3. With these 3 steps, you can set up Enaria in just 15 minutes, okay? At the end of the last video, you'll connect Enaria to the broker and then just wait for Enaria to begin working. Once Enaria is working, you don't need to worry about anything else. No trading required, no trading knowledge needed at all. This is being used not only by traders, but by everyday people like you and me who don't know trading and don't want to learn. Just connect to advanced AI technology that works on your account. So, what are we presenting here? This is a landing page to introduce Enaria, because with Enaria, you can not only earn from what the AI does in your broker account, but you can also recommend it to others. Here we have this powerful tool to present to everyone with just one link on social media, to friends, to family, without having to spend 20 or 30 minutes explaining to each person how to register and set up their Enaria tool. With this, you simply share the link. In this case, we have enariatrade.com/JohnTheMusic, which is the one registered here, and once registered with their own page, this link to start working will be connected to their referral link. This means anyone who visits this personalized website will automatically be linked to that person. What else do we have here? Besides the 3 steps, we'll have a link here throughout this video. It's a link for accessing the presentations. If your friend is unsure about Enaria or wants a better explanation, there's a presentation every Tuesday and Thursday that they can join through this video link. They'll enter this access code, which is always the same, to join these meetings. They also have a business presentation with slides they can browse through to get all the information. And if that wasn't enough, guys, we have all of this available in all these languages, including the videos. They change from Spanish to English for now, okay? But they will be translated to all languages eventually. At the moment, we have Spanish and English. If we switch to English here, the videos change both the presentation and the step-by-step guides. Okay, this is very powerful because if you work on social media, people from any country can join. Very important for you all. Good. Then how? Besides that, we have some testimonials from people who are already using it. Soon, there will be videos with real testimonials, just like these are real. But there will also be videos and FAQs about how to create your own landing page. I'm already working with Enaria, but I want to share it with all my friends on social media, and I want this powerful tool. We'll create it directly down here through this link or up where it says sponsor area in Create Your Landing. Okay, here you can easily pay by card or Tron. Simply fill in your details, username, email, and mobile number. This is optional, but if you include it, your referrals can contact you if they have questions. If you don't want WhatsApp contacts, just leave it blank, but it's powerful to let people talk with you. Set a password and you'll be linked to whoever recommended this page. Or just go directly to enariatrade.com. You don't need a referral, okay? You can access enariatrade.com directly and generate it there too. And here you can pay for 1, 3, 6, or 12 months. Why is this? Because paying for more months locks in this price. Okay, 1 month is $5.90. This is a promotional price, since from January 1st, 2026, it will be worth almost double, around $11.90. So how can we lock in this price for months? Well, for 12 months, you'll pay the total amount, but it's locked at $5.90. Okay, so I think this is quite interesting. You can also pay in USDT Tron, where you fill out everything the same way. Here, you'll need to enter Enaria's referral link, okay? I didn't mention it earlier, but whether paying by card or with USDT, you put Enaria's referral link here. Okay, this is how you get linked. When your landing page is generated, your referral link is attached. Whenever you share your landing page link, it will include your referral link and place people under you. And you'll be able to benefit from Enaria's excellent compensation plan. So, well, same thing here. The minimum USDT payment is for 3 months for a simple reason. When paying in USDT on the Tron network, okay? It's very important to note it's the Tron network, TRC20, as the payment method doesn't allow very small amounts, okay? That's why we set 3 months as the minimum, making the amount $17.70. You'll have the tool for 3 months and that's it. Copy this to your wallet, make a withdrawal to this USDT account, and once you've made the payment, remember, very important, send the exact amount indicated. Exactly $17.70 must arrive here. In other words, if the network says it'll charge 1 or 2 USDT dollars more, you'll need to deduct that amount. So you'll need to send $19.70 to ensure $17.70 arrives here. If not, it won't activate, which is very important. Once you've made the payment and know $17.70 will arrive here, you'll need to paste the hash below. Where is the hash? Well, after making the payment, you'll see an option to view transaction. When you click view transaction, it takes you to another page where you can copy that hash. It says hash directly, copy it, paste it here, and you're done. I've paid, verify, and create my landing page, okay? If you have any problems, just go to support, okay? Support is here at the bottom of the first page on the dashboard. Just write, hey, I had an issue with my landing page, or whatever problem you have. Send it to support, and that's it. And finally, for your people, those you're sending your link to who have this page to learn about Enaria, they'll also find a powerful assistant on the right. It has all the information and knows even more than we do about Enaria and Enaria Trade, about the landing page. Enaria is one thing and the landing page is another. So I think it's an incredibly powerful tool. Currently, it's the most powerful and the only one approved, which is very important, approved by Enaria. This means the message being sent is exactly what Enaria wants because other landing pages exist. But this one is officially accepted by the company, okay? And we're very rigorous about this. Also, if you're sharing this on social media, we always stay updated on what can and cannot be posted on social networks. In fact, a new section will appear here soon giving you all the materials to share on social media. That means reels, copies reels with necessary hashtags, so social networks understand what you're trying to convey, okay? And so they'll accept your content. We know financial content on social media always causes problems. Here we'll provide lots of social media material that will be approved, okay? Always complying with all social media policies. So guys, this is the most powerful tool you can have. It will help you make an exponential leap, not just in referrals, but by saving you time and, most importantly, making you money. You'll get people signing up like we're already experiencing that you don't even know. You won't know who they are or what country they're from. Another important thing is that in the sponsor area, here, you'll be able to see where your referrals are from. You'll also have access to their database, meaning you'll have all the emails of your referrals as well as phone numbers for those who provided them. Basically, it's statistics about how many people visit your landing page. It's incredible, guys. There's no better tool for promoting Enaria, so whatever questions you have, you can contact us or just start working directly at enariacreate.com.